Welcome back. Now, you may want to deliver your downloads from a button and not from text. We are inside of a lecture screen and we have our Elements tab open. That's going to be different from the Blocks tab. So if you're over in the Blocks tab and you see this element, you can turn over to the Elements tab. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to this area and you're going to notice then that this element is a drag and drop element, which is a button. We're going to drag and drop that button where we want it inside of our page. Then the button will then be available. You're going to notice then that that button has its own dialog box and its own text box. We're going to click on top of the button. When we click on top of the button, you're going to notice on the left-hand side that this button now has its own menu where you have controls available. Now, the main controls that we want to be aware of are going to be here at the very top. You're going to notice then that what we can do is we can have a specific action when this button